Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to connect Bluetooth device to a Mac quickly and easily. If you want to listen to music, watch movies or join meetings without using wired earphones, this tutorial will help you set it up in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First of all, click on your menu bar icon here. Now you can see here Bluetooth is off. Click on it to turn on your Bluetooth. Make sure they are in pairing mode. Most headphones enter pairing mode automatically when you turn them on for the first time. If they don't, simply press and hold the power button or pairing button for a first second until you see a blinking light. This means your headphones are ready to connect. Now click on this Apple icon. Click on System Preferences here. Inside System Preferences, click on the Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. As you can see, Bluetooth is current status on. Your Mac will now start searching for a nearby Bluetooth devices, as you can see here. After a few seconds, you will see your Bluetooth headphones name appear in the list of devices here. Simply click the connect button next to your earphone. As you can see here, connect. Connected. Now just minimize it. Once connected, the status will change to connected, and now your Mac audio will automatically play through your Bluetooth headphones. Now, if the sound is still coming from your Mac speakers, don't worry, click the Send Control Center button. Now you can see here, look on Bluetooth. Click on Control Center. Now go on Sound. Now you can see here two output, headphone and the Bluetooth device name. Select the Bluetooth device name and that's it. That's how you connect Bluetooth headphones to a Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.